In the name of Allah, the most kind, the most merciful. At first, I'd like to give thanks to the Almighty Allah who has created us and the whole universe. Then, I'd like to give thanks to our honorable great Prophet and Messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then, I'd like to give thanks to our honorable principal Allama Shaykh Salimullah sir of Dar Tahzib Model Madrasa. Then I'd like to give thanks to our honorable vice principal Allama Dawud Islam sir. Then I'd like to give thanks to our honorable advisor Shaykh Allama Mufti Jalil Shaheb. Then I'd like to give thanks to our honorable guests who are present here, and I'd like to give thanks to our honorable teachers of the institution, and I'd like to give thanks to our honorable parents who are present here, and my dear students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now I am going to mention concept of the Islamic Sharia about sports and culture. Dear audience, you know that we are going to celebrate our annual sports and cultural program. So I want to mention today's my topic. The main condition about sports and cultural program in Islamic perspective: physical exercise, healthy recreation, and sports are permitted and encouraged in Islamic Sharia if they are done in accordance with the Islamic regulation. It is considered a means of increasing physical fitness and mental peace, which helps to increase attention to worship, modesty, and maintaining the principles of Islam, also essential in cultural activities. The main conditions of sports and cultural activities in Islamic perspectives. 1. Essential conditions: sports and cultural activities should not distract from the worship or obligatory prayers and religious duties. 2. Clothing and veil. During physical exercise, the private parts must be covered, and mixing mean and ovine should be avoided. 3. Safety. Harmful or violent games such as hitting the face are prohibited in Islam. 4. Unauthorized subject: gambling, beating, lewdness, or any cultural practice mixed with obscenity are forbidden in Islam. Islam basically prepares healthy lifestyle. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam encouraged sports such as archery, horse racing, swimming, wrestling as physical exercise. In summary, Islam permits sports and cultural activities for the development of the body and mind within a legal framework where no forbidden things are involved. All the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.